Hi guys, today we're going to make homemade mayonnaise. We're going to start out by separating 2 eggs. Now after we separate our eggs, what we're going to do is we're going to save the egg whites for later. You could use this in your omelets, or you could use this in baking. Now to make mayonnaise, we're just going to add 2 egg yolks, a tablespoon of water, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now you want to use apple cider vinegar because it's less tart than white vinegar. Now we're going to beat this until the mixture is nice and frothy. After we're nice and frothy, we're going to slowly drizzle in 2 cups of oil. Today we're using canola oil. Now what we're actually creating here is an emulsification. This is a permanent emulsification, which means we have a binding agent. The binding agent in this case is the Dijon mustard. An emulsification is nothing more than the ability to bind 2 elements together, like oil and water, or oil, water, and egg yolks. The mustard is actually going to help this stay together. It's a permanent emulsification. Now we slowly drizzle our oil to help the emulsification begin. We swipe on top of the bowl to see if the emulsification is actually breaking. If the emulsification is breaking, you're going to see an oil slick. If that happens, then stop pouring the oil and continue to whip until it binds together. But if it binds together, you can slowly drizzle the oil in at a constant stream. And as you can see, the egg mixture is starting to thicken up and starting to get pale. The color is changing, which means the emulsification is actually holding. Now compared to a temporary emulsification, which is some of our vinaigrette dressings, where you have to constantly shake the bottle before you pour it, mayonnaise is an emulsification that actually stays together. Now, you might wonder to yourself, why do I want to make mayonnaise? Well, first of all, the taste is so much better than anything that you might buy at the store. It's natural, it's healthier, and there's no artificial preservatives. As you can see here, our mayonnaise is starting to thicken up. It's getting paler, and it's getting thicker. We swipe the bowl one more time just to make sure it's holding together, and then we can pour the rest of the oil in. Now, the faster that you whip your mayonnaise, the thicker it's going to be. We're looking for more of a spread than a sauce. After all of our oil is poured in, we're going to continue to whip until we get our desired thickness. Now, here comes the seasoning. Splash of lemon juice, pepper, and salt. Now, the salt, the lemon juice, as well as the apple cider vinegar are there for more than just taste. Because we're not using artificial preservatives, these three ingredients act as natural preservatives to help the shelf life of your mayonnaise. This should give you a good 7 to 10 days without it spoiling. And that's it. Just whip till you get your desired thickness that you want. Now in the next video, we're going to show you different things that you could do with this mayonnaise. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in.